Welcome to students. Today we will learn about volume. Before going to volume, we will learn for which figures we are finding out the volumes. In your day-to-day life, you are touching so many objects. That objects may be a solid, may be a liquid, may be a gas. Any matter, matter are three types. One is solid, liquid, and gas. Any matter you are touching, you are feeling. Okay, that has some volume, that occupies some space. Matter has some mass and occupies some space, so every matter has some volume. So today we will learn how to calculate the volume. Okay, perimeter unit is meter, centimeter, millimeter. Area unit is meter square, centimeter square. Okay, or you can write square meter, square centimeter. Basically for area we are using square unit. Similarly, when you are finding out the volume, the unit of volume should be cubic unit. Unit of volume, V for volume, okay, is called to cubic unit, q dot unit. Okay, so this is the cubic unit, this is the unit of volume. So let us study the volume of some special figure. Okay, so this is a cuboid. Okay, what are the cuboid examples of cuboid? Your geometry box, your book. Okay, so a cuboid basically consists of length, breadth, and height. Okay, see this figure. This is the front, this one is the front face. Similarly at the back another face is there. This is the side face. Similarly here another side face is there. So one face from the forward, okay, one is forward surface, another is backward surface. One surface is left surface, another is right surface. See, from the down one surface and from the up another surface there. So total surfaces or total faces, I can write the face of a cuboid. This is a cuboid. Okay, so cuboid. So this is a figure of a cuboid. So total faces equal to how much? There are 6 faces. So what are the faces? Forward faces, or forward face, backward face, or forward surface. Face means surface. Forward face, backward face, left face, right face, bottom face, and top face. So total faces of a cuboid is 6. Similarly edges, this is a 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edge, like that. In a cuboid there are how many edges are there? Basically the edges are the line segments. Okay, edges are the line segments. So my friends, don't worry, I'll do a good figure for you. Okay, now here I'll do a figure. See, what is this? This is a rectangle. Okay, 6 rectangle when joined together they forms a. Similarly, now how to draw a cuboid? See now. Okay my friends, very easy. Join this. Okay, so now I'll show you the different parts of a cuboid. Okay friends, different parts are joined properly. So now I'm giving the name with a different color, this color. So take it A, B, this is your C and this is your D point. Here E, here F, here G and H. Okay, so this is A, this vertex, another point. Okay, black I'm doing. This is B, this is C and this is D. Similarly this vertex is E, this vertex is F, then this vertex is G. Okay, this vertex is your G. Okay, then this is your H vertex. In case of cuboid, okay, this is figure of a cuboid, my friends. This is a figure of a cuboid. Okay, so a cuboid is basically a figure consisting of rectangles. So here how many rectangles are there? See, one name, by naming I'm giving a name. One is DC, one is my friend DCEH. Okay, this is a, so this is a, this This is the front face. Okay, this face is the front face. Similarly, another back face is like this. So this is front rectangle, another is back rectangle. So each rectangle consists each rectangle of a cuboid is a face of the cuboid. Okay, so there are 6 faces of a cuboid. One is forward face, another is backward face, like this. One is left, this is right. Similarly, from down, this surface, from down surface is GFEH, another face. So down face, and this is the up face. So how many faces are there in case of a cuboid? So in case of cuboid, you learn, so F for faces, 6 faces are there. And how many edges are there? So what are the edges? Edges means the sides. See the blue, this is a side. I am doing with another color. Okay my friends, yellow color. So AD is a face, sorry, AD is the edge, DC, BC, AB. Similarly, there are 12 edges in case of a cuboid. 12 edge. Okay, and each edge is a line segment. F for faces, E for edges. Okay, E for edges. So how many edges are there? 12 edges are there. So faces 6, edges 12, and another is your corner, or you can say vertices. How many vertices are there? There are 8 corner or vertices are there. Okay, this A, B, C, D, G, H, E, F, or all the vertices. Okay my friends, so in case of a cuboid, there are 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corner or vertices. 8 corner or vertices are there. Vertices spelling, vertices. Okay, vertices. So this is about your cuboid. So cuboid volume formula equal to how much? So what is the length? So this is the length. Another, now I am showing the length, breadth, and height of a cuboid. Now we understood the face, edge, and vertex. Now I am considering another cuboid. This is another cuboid, my friends. Okay, sorry, again I am doing. So this is your another cuboid. Okay, so this is the cuboid, my friends, and this is your length, and this side is your breadth, and length, breadth, and this side, this one. Okay, I am marking another. Okay, so now see, this is your length, and this is your breadth, and this is your height. Okay, yellow mark. So this is the height, and this is your length, and this is your breadth. So length, breadth and height consist of three quantities: length, breadth and height. This is your height. So what is the volume formula? So volume of a cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. L for length, B for breadth and H for height.